Hey guys, this VZ LE0 V6 has come in. This has BVT on the intake like camshafts, not on the exhaust camshafts. He's brought the car in with a bunch of parts he's wanted fitted that he's bought from another shop. So we fitted cams for him. We fitted a CPR6 manifold for him. We refitted his Growler intake. He already had pacemakers installed. He had spacers installed already, but they've had to come out for the CPR6. So the only thing we've supplied on this, like to complement his modifications, we've stripped the cylinder heads and we've installed heavy duty valve springs, which are made in Queensland by Performance Springs. We've also installed a set of Vites and valve stem seals, and we've installed lifters and roller rockers. We've also done a genuine timing chain kit as well. So this is making fantastic power, which I'll get into a bit later. The car does have 330,000 kilometers on it, so you don't really want to be thrashing it above 7,000 RPM, which is what we put the limiter as. The limiter on these from factories are around 5,900 to 6,000 RPM, so it's a big increase in RPM considering the K's on the motor. And yeah, like it is the 3-speed, so we'll get into that a bit later.